Changing your email on Current is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Current app. Launch the Current app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the Profile or Menu area of the app, often represented by K icon. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In Account Settings, look for an option labeled Email or Email Preferences. Tap on this option to proceed with changing your email address. Step 4. Enter a new email address. You will see a field to enter your new email address. Type in the new email you wish to use and double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to confirm the change by clicking a confirmation link sent to your new email address. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated in your current account. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section of the app for further assistance.